Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 22nd of January 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, delays in implementing Law 32249 in Peru are stalling 58 renewable energy projects totaling 12.5 gigawatts. That is enough to meet all projected electricity demand growth through 2030. So far, only 2 of the 3 regulations required under the law have been released for public consultation. Those governing renewable energy auctions as well as the independent system operator for isolated grids. It's also holding up more than $12 billion of capital investment. By 2030 alone, between 2.5 and 3 gigawatts of new generation capacity will be required to meet Peru's growing demand. Panama has unveiled a new roadmap for its power system built around long-term contracts with fixed prices and regulated conditions. The goal is to reduce reliance on the spot market, avoid tariff spikes, and bring greater predictability to the expansion of the country's energy mix. The strategy prioritizes renewable energy, thermal plant retrofits, and nationwide supply under the National Energy Plan. Brazil's renewable energy milestone marks the first month in which wind and solar generated 34% of the country's electricity. This milestone represents remarkable growth over the past decade. Between 2014 and 2024, wind and solar generation increased 15-fold, transforming Brazil's electricity sector from one dependent on fossil fuels toward one dominated by clean energy. Brazil's extensive coastline and favorable wind patterns, particularly in the northeast region, make wind energy economically competitive with conventional power sources. China's energy strategic goal in 2035 is clear. The total installed capacity of wind power and solar power will reach at least 3.6 terawatts. Wind power, as the core force of energy transformation, will continue to expand. China's wind power industry has entered a new stage of value competition with technological innovation and lean operation as the core. However, performance attenuation, insufficient operation and maintenance efficiency, immature technical solutions, as well as extensive operation and maintenance costs have become the key bottlenecks restricting the profitability of asset owners. The Czech Republic continues to lag significantly behind most EU countries in the use of solar and wind energy. While in the Union, electricity generation from sun and wind together accounted for a 30% share last year, and for the first time surpassed the share of fossil sources, in the Czech Republic this share was 6.6%. The pace of growth in the share of solar in the Czech Republic has been slowing recently, and the situation is even worse for wind energy. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.